Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, your eyes are not deceiving you. We are reporting live from Walgreens and we're about to get into some super easy money maker deals. So I'm gonna try to keep this video pretty quick, simple, and easy because I feel like I already do a lot at CVS every week. So when it comes to Walgreens, I like to try to keep it clean because Walgreens is already complicated enough. So we're gonna grab some really easy deals this week. I'm just gonna be in and out of here. I'm not gonna do all the deals. We're just gonna do the best deals for me this week. So the first thing I want to pick up is this Arm & Hammer. So y'all know I love to pick up the Arm & Hammer when it's on this promotion. These are $7.49, buy one, get two free. So we're gonna pick up 3 of them for $7.49 with no coupon. The next thing we're gonna grab is these Olay facial cleansing cloths. This is a super good deal, you guys. So these are 2 for $10 this week, and we have an $8 off of 2 digital coupon. So that coupon makes these only $1 each. All right, you guys, so I'm actually at a second store, but I'm inserting this clip here because I also wanted to show you that you can grab these products right here if you're at a store like the one I'm at now, where they don't have the Olay wipes. These products also work for the $8 digital coupon and are 2 for $10 as well, so you can grab these for $1. Then the next deal we're grabbing is this super money maker on the Bic razors. So select Bic razors are buy 2 get back a $5 register reward this week. My store is not tagged, but we're gonna pick up 2 of these for $13.58. We're gonna be using 2 of the $4 paper coupon, and we're gonna be submitting back to the rebate apps for $9 in cash back. Checkout 51 is gonna give us back $6 in cash back. Ibotta is gonna give us back $3 in cash back, and we're gonna get back a $5 register reward. So we're gonna pay $5.58 at the register after our coupons, but then get back a total of $14. That's gonna make 2 of these not only free, but an $8.42 moneymaker. Later in the video, I'm also going to be grabbing 3 of these Baby Roos. So these are 99 cents each this week. So 3 of them are going to total us up to $2.97. Swag Bucks is giving back $3 when you pick up 3 of these. So we're going to go ahead and submit to Swag Bucks, and that's going to make these completely free. But I'm also going to be submitting back to Checkout 51 for 38 cents each. That's going to be $1.14. So these 3 are going to be $1.17 moneymaker between both apps. Next thing we're grabbing is On the Scott toilet paper. So these are $5 regular price, but we have a $1 digital coupon and a $1.25 store coupon that are going to make this only $2.75. All right, you guys, so I told y'all this was gonna be quick and simple. So I'm gonna go up and check out now. In this deal, I'm gonna do 2 separate transactions. So in the first transaction, I'm just gonna get our Olay wipes and the Bic razors. I'm gonna be using these 2 $4 paper coupons. Now with the Bic razors, you also have a $4 digital coupon that is available to you as well if you just wanna use one of the paper coupons. So I'm gonna use those 2 paper coupons and then the $8 digital for the Olay. And I also have a $5 point booster when you spend 20. So I'm gonna take the money that I earn in that transaction and then I'm gonna use it for my toilet paper and my Arm & Hammer. So let me go check out and we'll see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, so I just checked out and this deal actually just worked out a lot better than I thought it was gonna work out. So I decided to go ahead and do it twice. So let me show you a close-up of my receipt so you can see what I mean, because it turned out to be a much bigger money maker. So this deal was fantastic. So we got the 2 Olay wipes, and then we got the 2 Bic razors. So as you can see, I used the 2 $4 paper coupons and then the $8 digital for the Olay. But you guys, we have an extra digital in play. So the $4 digital coupon came off for the Bic as well. OMG. So we got an extra $4 in savings there. So I was expecting to pay out $7.58 for this deal, but because that digital came off, I paid out $3.58. Now, if I did not have these two Olay products, I do not think that that extra digital would have come off, because remember at Walgreens, usually you have to have like the same number of products as you have for coupons. So because I did have 4 items, 4 coupons were able to come off, if that makes sense. So if you are looking for this to possibly happen for you, then make sure that you do have an extra item in play for that digital to attach to, you guys. But it did work out. So we got a double dip at Walgreens, which I don't think I've ever gotten before. So we paid out $3.58. Now let's talk about what we got back. So we paid out $3.58, but then I got back a $5 register reward for the BIC. Then I also got back $5 in Walgreens cash, as you can see there, for my point boosters. We got back $5.23. Then I also got back $9 from the rebate apps, because we got back $3 from Ebates and $6 from Checkout 51. You guys, that transaction was a $15.65 moneymaker. So we were up $15.65. In this next deal, I spent out $10.24 for the Scott toilet paper and the 3 Arm & Hammer detergents. I rolled in the $5 register reward from my first transaction, and that left my subtotal at $5.24. I did redeem $5 in Walgreens cash for that. So minus the $10.24 that we spent for our paper products and our laundry detergent, we are still at a $5.41 moneymaker. So you guys, I told y'all that deal was so good that I had to repeat it. Thankfully, I do have double accounts thanks to my husband. So I went ahead and did this deal again. I did it again on Checkout 51. I did it again on Ebates, and I did it again on our second Walgreens account. So I made another $15.65. So we want to add that back. There, that put me at a $21.06 moneymaker for this haul. And then in my final transaction, I picked up 2 more of the Scott toilet paper, and I also picked up 3 of the Baby Ruth. So in this transaction, after I rolled in that $5 register reward, my subtotal came down to $4.47. So we paid out $9.47 for that deal. So let's subtract that out from our moneymaker. But you guys, I did get back $3 from Swag Bucks for the Baby Ruth, and then I also got back another $1.14 from Checkout 51. So I am ending today for everything that we got with a $15.73 moneymaker. So all right, you guys, this is my complete Walgreens haul for today. So easy and simple today and no issues. That is always a great day at Walgreens. And we also made $15 in the process, so not bad, because we got laundry detergent and paper products and some nice Olay products as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.